Hi! Here at the Arc of Sariaya. Hello! Here I am at the Arc of Quezon Province. So, this is my first time na mag-marathon. And ilang kilometers na lang. Destination reach na, which is the SM San Pablo. The culmination of 42 kilometers. Simula ng marathon today, April 22, 5:30 in the morning. Ito po, nasa may school na, nakalib for today. 7 kilometers already here at Abalon Estates, near police station.
Walang tamad sa Quezon, dati lang. First meal of the day, grabe masarap dito. Oo man.
Arrive at Walter Mart Candelaria. 2 hours 44 minutes from home, and it's 12.47 kilometers. Here at Bukal Sur, Candelaria, Quezon, 18 kilometers already.
Dito talaga nagsimula ang paghihirap, disyerto sa Chaong.
Currently, it's 1 p.m. at napapaisip na kung nasa tama pa bang direksyon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Chaong Bypass Road. Pag sa haba-haba pala nito, hindi ko makita yung exit. So once again, ito tayo, ang ating itsura, alauna ng tanghali.
Nilabas na nga ang unang secret weapon, energy gel, na hindi ko talaga tinikman, hindi reserve. Kaso nung araw na tinikman, napakasama pala ng lasa. So ayun.
Sa wakas, nakita din ang exit ng diversion. City Mall, Chaong, Baon. City of San Pablo, sumakses din ang paglalakad. Umabot ng buhay. Last 10 kilometers.
Ito yung moment na nire-reen ako na yung way ko ng paglalakad kasi injured na yung kaliwang paa. So naka-apekto yun, kaya ang tagal nung last 10 kilometers kahit nasa San Pablo na. Inabot na ng 8 p.m. Tapos ito naman yung time na tinikman ko na yung second na energy gel. Napakasama rin. Arrive at Mega Disco. Babaan ng bus kung gusto mong pumunta sa bayan ng San Pablo. Ito yung mga sandali na napapasana all na lang ako. Arrive at SM San Pablo. So ayan, magpapaka-vloggeries muna tayo sa loob.
Finally, we reach SM San Pablo. This is the culmination of my 100 days fitness journey. So this achievement is for my family, my friends, my workmates, and especially to my future wife and children. Your daddy has accomplished something that only few can do, and that is running or walking a marathon composed of 43 plus kilometers. So my time is somehow long. Started in the morning and reach until the evening. So it doesn't matter as long as I reach my destination. So the destination may be hard. There is a high elevation, but still I am here. And it is not possible without the inspiration from those people that I've been with during those 99 days and below. So this is for you, for everyone, and this especially is for myself. Happy 100 days of fitness journey, Eman.
Hindi man nasama yung first video ng pagpunta ko sa SM San Pablo is still emotional yun kasi sino ba naman ang hindi magiging emotional habang naaalala yung mga araw from day 1 to day 99 ng kanyang fitness journey. Ayan, mukha lang yung masaya pero mixed emotions na naramdaman yan habang naaalala niya yung mga ulan, yung mga init, yung mga lagnat, yung mga gabi, yung mga hating gabi na nag-show up siya para
8:41
sa kanyang
PM.
sarili.
Uwi na sa Sariaya. Maglalakad ulit tayo. Joke lang, magbabas na po tayo.
April 22 at dito na nga natatapos ang ating first ever marathon journey. 43 plus kilometers ang next destination
The next
sa day
destination,
1,000 Manila, especially Luneta.
Luneta.
Kakayanin.